Welcome to Futex. Number 1 BMW Motorrad Vision Next 100. This futuristic concept bike features self-balancing technology that makes it almost impossible to tip over. It also has a flexible frame that can adjust to the rider's movements, and a high-tech helmet that provides a 360-degree view of the road. The bike is powered by an electric motor and features a sleek, aerodynamic design with an asymmetrical frame that extends forward to form a windscreen. The frame is made of carbon fiber and can adjust its shape to suit the rider's preferences, allowing for a more personalized and comfortable ride. One of the standout features of the BMW Motorrad Vision Next 100 is its augmented reality display. The visor of the helmet features a built-in heads-up display that provides the rider with real-time information, such as speed and navigation directions, as well as allowing them to access their phone and other connected devices. Number 2 Yamaha Tesseract. The Yamaha Tesseract is a concept four-wheeled motorcycle that was unveiled in 2007. It was designed to combine the benefits of a motorcycle with the stability and safety of a car. The Tesseract features two wheels at the front and two wheels at the rear, and it can lean into corners like a conventional motorcycle. However, it also has a retractable third wheel at the front that can be lowered when the vehicle comes to a stop, providing stability and preventing the Tesseract from tipping over. The Yamaha Tesseract was powered by a 1000cc engine that was based on the engine used in the Yamaha R1 motorcycle. It was also equipped with Yamaha's YCCT and YCCI systems, which are designed to improve engine response and power delivery. The Tesseract was designed to be a high-performance vehicle, with a top speed of around 150 miles per hour. It featured a lightweight aluminum frame and carbon fiber bodywork, and it was equipped with advanced suspension and braking systems. Number 3 Kawasaki J Concept. This concept bike features a unique design that combines a motorcycle with a jet ski. It has a waterproof body and can switch between on-road and off-road modes, making it perfect for adventurous riders. The J Concept is powered by an electric motor and features a number of advanced technologies, including a heads-up display, HUD, that projects information onto the rider's helmet visor and a wireless charging system that eliminates the need for a traditional charging cable. Other features of the J Concept include an advanced suspension system that automatically adjusts to changing road conditions and a unique steering system that allows the rider to control the bike using hand gestures. While the J Concept is just a prototype and not currently available for sale, it showcases some of the advanced technologies and innovative design concepts that could shape the future of electric motorcycles. Number 4 Lazareth LM 847. This four-wheeled motorcycle features a 4.7-liter V8 engine that can produce up to 470 horsepower. It also has a sleek, futuristic design that is sure to turn heads on the road. The Lazareth LM 847 is a unique futuristic concept motorcycle designed by French manufacturer Lazareth. It features a massive 4.7-liter Maserati V8 engine capable of producing 470 horsepower and 620 Nm of torque. The bike is also equipped with four wheels, making it more stable and easier to handle. The body of the Lazareth LM 847 is made of carbon fiber, which makes it lightweight and gives it an edgy, futuristic look. The bike features a hub center steering system, which means that the wheels are not directly attached to the handlebars, but are instead connected to the frame via a single pivot point. This system provides a smoother ride and more precise handling. Number 5 Yamaha OR2T Concept. The Yamaha OR2T is a concept motorcycle that was designed with off-road adventures in mind. The bike features a lightweight frame that is made from aluminum, and it has a futuristic design that is both sleek and stylish. The OR2T is powered by an electric motor, which provides instant torque and acceleration. One of the most notable features of the OR2T is its suspension system, which is designed to provide excellent performance on rough terrain. The bike has a long travel suspension that is capable of absorbing bumps and shocks, and it has a high ground clearance that allows it to navigate over obstacles with ease. The front and rear suspension units are both adjustable, allowing riders to fine-tune the bike's handling to suit their preferences. The OR2T also has a number of other features that are designed to enhance its off-road capabilities. The bike has knobby tires that provide excellent traction on loose or uneven surfaces, and it has a large fuel tank that allows it to cover long distances without the need for refueling. The bike also has an advanced navigation system that uses GPS technology to help riders navigate through remote or unfamiliar terrain. Number 6. The Solid CRS-1 Voyager. The Solid CRS-1 Voyager is a concept motorcycle designed by a team of engineers and designers at the Japanese company, Whitehouse. The Voyager is a futuristic electric motorcycle that features a unique design and advanced technology. The Solid CRS-1 Voyager has a sleek and aerodynamic body made of lightweight materials. It is powered by an electric motor that is capable of producing up to 90 horsepower and can reach a top speed of 180 km per hour. The motorcycle also features a high-capacity battery that provides a range of up to 280 km on a single charge. The Voyager's advanced technology includes a high-resolution digital display that provides riders with real-time information about the motorcycle's speed, battery level, and other important data. The motorcycle also has a number of safety features, including an advanced braking system and a collision detection system that can help prevent accidents. One of the unique features of the Solid CRS-1 Voyager is its adaptive suspension system. This system uses sensors to adjust the suspension in real time, providing riders with a smooth and comfortable ride even on rough terrain. Number 7. 0SR/S. This electric motorcycle features a sleek, futuristic design and a range of advanced features, including a touchscreen display and an app that allows riders to monitor the bike's charging status. 0SR/S is a futuristic electric motorcycle that was introduced by Zero Motorcycles, a California-based electric motorcycle manufacturer. The SR/S is a sport touring motorcycle that combines cutting-edge technology with sleek design. It has a range of up to 161 miles on a single charge, making it an ideal vehicle for long-distance trips. The 0SR/S is powered by a ZF7510 motor that produces 110 horsepower and 140 pound-feet of torque. It has a top speed of 124 miles per hour and can accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.8 seconds. The motorcycle features a belt drive system that provides smooth power delivery and requires minimal maintenance. The SR/S has a fully adjustable Showa suspension system that provides a smooth ride and excellent handling. It also features Bosch ABS braking system with J1 calipers, providing reliable stopping power. The motorcycle is equipped with a 6.5-inch TFT display that provides riders with real-time information about their speed, battery level, and range. Number 8. Akrapovic Full Moon Motorcycle. The Akrapovic Full Moon motorcycle is designed by Slovenian motorcycle exhaust manufacturer Akrapovic and is inspired by the full moon. The bike features a distinctive circular design with a hubless rear wheel and a single-sided swing arm that gives it a unique and eye-catching appearance. The Full Moon motorcycle is powered by an electric motor and has a lithium-ion battery pack. The bike has a range of around 120 km on a single charge and can reach a top speed of 120 km per hour. The bike has a unique feature in which the rider can control the throttle and brake with their body movements. The bike's frame is made from carbon fiber, making it lightweight and durable. The bike also features an advanced suspension system that allows for a smooth ride even on rough terrain. The Full Moon motorcycle is not currently available for purchase and remains a concept bike, but it showcases the possibilities for electric motorcycles in the future. Number 9. Voxan Wattman. The Voxan Wattman is an electric motorcycle designed and manufactured by the French motorcycle company Voxan Motors. It was unveiled in 2013 and was hailed as the most powerful electric motorcycle in the world at the time. The Wattman is powered by a massive 200 horsepower electric motor that generates 200 Nm of torque. The motor is powered by a 12.8 kWh lithium-ion battery pack that is said to provide a range of up to 180 km on a single charge. The battery can be fully charged in about 30 minutes using a high-speed charger. The bike's suspension system is also unique. It uses a double wishbone front suspension and a progressive linkage rear suspension, which provides excellent stability and handling. The brakes are also top of the line, with dual 320mm Behringer discs in the front and a single 230mm disc in the rear. Number 10. Arch Method 143. The Arch Method 143 is a futuristic motorcycle concept designed by the American motorcycle manufacturer, Arch Motorcycles. It was introduced in 2018 as a limited edition production model, with only 23 units produced. The Arch Method 143 is a high-performance cruiser with a sleek, aerodynamic design. It features a carbon fiber monocoque chassis, which is lightweight and strong, and helps to reduce the bike's overall weight. The bike is powered by a massive 2,343cc V-twin engine that delivers a whopping 170 horsepower and 120 pound-feet of torque. One of the most unique features of the Arch Method 143 is its hub-center steering system, which allows for precise handling and maneuverability. The bike also features high-end components, such as Öhlins suspension, Brembo brakes, and BST carbon fiber wheels. Number 11 Suzuki GSX or 1300 NUDA. Suzuki has announced plans to launch a production version of their two-wheel drive GSX or 1300 NUDA for 2024. Utilizing the 1340cc liquid-cooled inline four-cylinder engine from the Suzuki GSX 1300R Hayabusa. The most interesting part of the NUDA is the two-wheel drive system, which employs a patented twin-shaft drive system with hub-centric steering. The 2WD system reportedly enhances cornering speed and stability, particularly in wet conditions and on poor road surfaces, though the downside is heavier steering, a trait the NUDA solves via power steering. Suzuki says the Suzuki GSX or 1300 NUDA production model will be launched at the 2023 EICMA show in Milan this November, with production's models on sale by April 1, 2024. Number 12 Harley-Davidson Livewire. This electric motorcycle boasts an impressive range of 146 miles on a single charge, as well as a top speed of 110 miles per hour. It also features a touchscreen display and an app that allows riders to monitor the bike's charging status. It is a significant departure from Harley-Davidson's traditional motorcycles, which are known for their iconic V-twin engines and distinctive exhaust notes. The Livewire is powered by a permanent magnet electric motor that produces 105 horsepower and 86 pounds-to-foot of torque, which allows it to accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3 seconds. It has a range of around 146 miles on a single charge, although this can vary depending on riding conditions and riding style. One of the most notable features of the Livewire is its design. It has a sleek and modern look that is very different from the classic Harley-Davidson style. It has a minimalist dashboard that displays all the essential information, including speed, range, and battery level. Overall, these future concept motorcycles showcase a range of innovative designs and technologies that are sure to impress riders of all stripes. From electric bikes with impressive ranges to self-balancing designs that make it easier to stay upright, there's something for everyone in the world of future motorcycles. Thanks for watching.